But this tutorial is sponsored by Pacdora. Now, Pacdora is an online 3D packaging design tool that can help you create amazing mockup, from boxes to t-shirts, but all sorts of mockup you can get it from Pacdora, and it's very affordable. So to purchase Pacdora, use my promo code J20. When you use J20, you are going to get 20% discount. So let's get started. So if you're a package designer, this is your website. It has a lot of Dieline templates for everyone. In fact, any kind of package at all, you have it here. Let's go to paper bags, and then as you can see, we have a lot of them here. Let's pick one of them. And the most amazing part of this is that you can actually change the size given, or the default size. You can change it to your own dimension. So let's make the length 190 and then the height 300. You can actually download the file format. So let's pick Adobe Illustrator, download Dieline here. So after downloading, you open this in Adobe Illustrator. You can as well as do it in Photoshop. So here we are just going to place the design on it, and then we export it to the website. So we go to File and then Place. We go and pick our design. So after placing your image, this is what you get. We go to File again, and then we go to Export for screen. We make sure you select JPEG. So we click on Export Artboard. So after saving in Illustrator or Photoshop, you come back to the website again, and then go to Design Online. Click on it. So here we are going to import our design. You click Upload, Add Image. So after adding the image, you adjust it nicely so that it can fit inside the Dieline. So remember that everything we are doing here is giving you a real-time updates, 3D illustration of whatever is happening. And then let's click on Save. There's another interesting option here, videos. Now here you can actually give an animation, so you can select any of them that you want. Now you can also go to 3D design. So here we have a proper 3D environment that you can play with. You have so many scenes here. You can pick any of them to give you another dimension, and then you can also change the background color. You have a lot of them here. When you are done, just go to Super Render. And as I said in my previous video, just pick any of the file formats you want. The 4K is the best, and then you render and export. The name of the website is Pacdora. I'll put the link in the description box. I'm Jason Napa, and I'm out.